Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today's video I'll be unboxing a really good brand of headphones. They're called Soul. It is the SL300. It's a special type of SL300. It's Belgian Red Devils. It's really cool. So yeah, let's just start the unboxing. So I'm gonna first take this off. Put this down and yeah, take this out. This is actually really cool. Okay, these are the accessories itself. This is the headphones itself, so we'll need that. This is just some garbage. Nobody cares about that. Okay, so let's check the accessories first. Okay, you open something. So it's just some normal stuff, the cloth and all, and then some random stuff. So put that to the side. We don't need that. We just keep that there for a second. So now the headphones themselves. So I'm actually gonna open them. That's a nice classy feel. So open it, and then you have the headphones themselves. They're really comfortable. They have leather up top, and also for the cushions, it is incredible. And there is a noise cancelling effect here. Once it's blue, then means it's noise cancelling mode on. So basically, afterwards, you get two wires, one with the controller, so you can just control everything, and one without, so they're basically the same. So basically, all you do is this part of it, you put it in, make sure it's really in there, and then plug it into something, and it's really cool. It's really comfy, and the noise cancelling is amazing, so I recommend these headphones to you. So hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.